We'll guide you through how to make liquid glass effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the app is open, press Create New Project to begin. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the settings you want, press Create Project to create a new project and enter the editing workspace. Once you are inside the project, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, import the footage that you want to use as the background. Wait for the footage to be added to the timeline. After importing your footage, press the plus button again and add a rounded rectangle shape to your project. Select the rounded rectangle layer and press Edit Shape. Adjust the shape according to your preference until you are satisfied with its appearance. Next, open the effect browser and search for Copy Background. Once you find it, add the Copy Background effect to the rounded rectangle layer. After adding Copy Background, open the effect browser again and search for Inner Blur. Apply the Inner Blur effect to the same rounded rectangle layer. Once the effect has been added, open its settings and adjust the strength and iteration values. When you are satisfied with the Inner Blur settings, open the effect browser once more and search for Smooth Bevel. After finding the effect, apply it to the rounded rectangle layer. Open the Smooth Bevel settings and adjust the available values according to your needs. Next, return to the effect browser and search for Displacement Map. Add the Displacement Map effect to the same layer. After applying it, open the effect settings and adjust the offset values based on your preference. After setting the displacement map values, drag the displacement map effect so it sits above the Inner Blur effect in the effect stack.